everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a little Dior unboxing for you guys. This is the latest order that I've placed with Dior Beauty. Right now they're doing their 12 days of giveaways, so there's a lot going on as far as gifts, promo codes, and everything like that I've been keeping up with and posting in my community section. So if you want to keep up with those freebies and all those promo codes, make sure you're checking there and that you're subscribed to my channel and that you have the notification bell on. So starting off with the packaging, how beautiful is this white and gold theming that they've gone with this year? I really love it. I think it's so beautiful for the holidays. If I put it up close for you guys to see, it's like a clock, and I just love all the beautiful details and the gold foiling, of course. I think it just makes a lovely presentation if you're giving this as a gift or just putting it under the tree. So let's start with the unboxing, and you're gonna have to forgive my super unpolished hands. It has been crazy at work and I just have not had time to go get a manicure or anything like that. It's not usually so crazy like that for me, but this year it is. I don't know, let me know how it is at your job, but I got a few things here. So what do I want to start with? First, I think I'm going to start off with this, if it is what I think it is. And this, yes, so this should be the jewelry pouch that they were giving away as part of their 12 days of giveaway. I think it was like the first day that they gave this. Now you can't get this anymore on Dior's website, but you can find it. In some department stores, and this is just a jewelry travel pouch, and I think it's so beautiful. It's just like the pouch that they gave with one of the gifts. I think this was the gold gift. I'll put it down below because I don't quite remember, and I do have the short of when I unboxed this jewelry pouch. So these are them side by side. They're the same size, but this is the holiday one, and it is the same material as the gift bags. Now it is a zip opening, and when you open it up inside, you do have a little drawstring pouch so that you can securely store jewelry or just any little travel items, knickknacks, and things like that you want to keep safe. I'm really glad that I was able to pick this up. Again, they're not giving this away right now on Dior's website, but they do have it at some department stores. I'll go ahead and link that in the comments below if this is something that you'd like to pick up. All right, so then the next thing that I picked up that I've been thinking of picking up for a while now is this Rose Kabuki hair perfume. I really like the fragrance, but I didn't want to buy the whole bottle. I really wanted to try this hair perfume, and I feel like with me, at least my hair, it's quite porous and it tends to hold fragrance and scent for a long time. Sometimes with perfumes, you know, they kind of just like wear off really quickly, and when you have it like in lotion form or like hair perfume form, I feel like, at least for me, it lasts longer. And this bottle is 40 ml, so it is a nice size. I can't wait to give this a try, and it's just like that beautiful Privé bottle, and it comes in the frosted glass. I really like this one, and I can't wait to try it. The top is magnetized too, so it's just like that little extra luxurious touch. All right, so the next thing that I want to open up is this little pouch. These would be the freebies and samples that I picked out. Usually when you are a member, you can pick out a few samples. It looks like I only got one of them though, which was the Dior Riviera Mini Privé perfume. I really like to collect these. These are so cute, and this, you know, this fragrance is really expensive. So if you want to give them a try before, you know, committing to the larger bottle, these little minis are a great gift. And also, these minis are the same minis I think that come in the Discovery set, and that is quite an expensive set. So if you're able to collect these and try them out, it is a nice little bonus. Next, I got the hand cream that I love so much from Dior. This is the Fragrance Adorables hand cream. I like this one a little bit better than the Le Balm. The Le Balm is unscented. For me, it really picks up the scent of the plastic bottle, which I don't really like, but I do love this one, and I feel like this is just like a perfect little purse perfume. I like the bottle shape of this more when it comes to storing it in the purse compared to the Chanel hand cream. I just think that like the slimmer profile is a lot better for fitting things in your purse. The egg-shaped one from the Chanel one is just like a little bit awkward in the bag. They both smell really nice. I really love this scent though. Now I kind of want to dig through, oh, here we go. So I had a promo code for the cards, and I know a lot of people were asking about this and how it looked when it arrived. So it does come in a nice box, and I'm just gonna go ahead and open this real quick. Okay, so these cards do come in this really nice box, and when you open them up, there are several cards in here, and there should be some envelopes too. So let's just pull those out. So the cards come in a nice folder like this. When you open it up, you do have a side full of envelopes, and then on the other side you have the cards. Now the cards, I believe they're just one-sided. So yeah, so you just flip them over. They say Dior. They're not like the kind of cards that you open up. But if you wanted to like slip this into your gift, put it in a nice envelope for the holidays or something like that, I think it would be really beautiful. I even think even if it's not for the holidays and you just want to write somebody a nice note, there's some pretty beautiful cards. I also just noticed, if you can see, that it has the nice logo embossed right there, which is a really pretty detail as well. And then the last thing that I picked up was the Forever Skin Couture Sculpting Face Stick. I really wanted to try this for contouring. I got the foundation stick earlier this year, and it's literally one of my favorite products that I've ever gotten from Dior. So I really wanted to try this one. This one comes in the matte black case with the black logo. The foundation stick comes in like a shinier black case, and then this is really pretty too. I love like the ganache detail at the top. I picked it up in the color, I think I got it in color light. Yeah, I picked it up in 01 Light. I'm quite fair, so I get a little like intimidated by contouring and bronzer. Sometimes it can just be a little too heavy for my face, but this is the one that I picked up. So I think that'll blend really nicely. Of course, it looks quite dark there, but once you contour and blend it out, it is a really pretty formula, and I really like the formula. It's really nice and creamy, and of course, it's always like buildable, and it's just so nice and smooth on the skin. I really, really like this. Okay, well, that's everything that I picked up today as part of my order. I was able to pick up the Snowglobe, which was the platinum holiday gift this year. They had very, very limited quantities, and I know a lot of people were not able to pick it up, and I think some people were quite upset about that. I did go to the masterclass on Thursday, and I saw a lot of comments regarding the Snowglobe and people being unhappy that they could not get it. I believe now that the gift for platinum members is a fragrance discovery set for the Privé fragrances. So still a really beautiful gift. I think the one that you can buy online, it's like $200 or $300. So a nice gift, but I do know a lot of you wanted to snag that Snowglobe, and I know quite a few of you commented that you did. So I haven't gotten the tracking number for the Snowglobe, and I feel like it's not real until I get that tracking number. All right, guys, well, that is everything for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up down below. Please consider subscribing to my channel. I talk about luxury beauty, bags, and I pepper a little bit of travel here and there. Like I was just in New York and I visited the new Louis Vuitton flagship store. So if those are things that you like, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.